As the Omicron wave is rolling over Oregon and Washington, the National Guard is rolling into Northwest hospitals to help out. Our Lisa Balick is live with what they'll be counted on to do. Lisa.
Yeah, there are hundreds and hundreds of National Guard members back inside Oregon hospitals throughout the state. I found out there are actually 40 hospitals. That's where they're going to be stationed, and there will be even hundreds more coming in next week. It's coming at a very critical time in the pandemic. The next 2 weeks will be, they say, the surge that we have been expecting here, the viral cases in Oregon. Healthcare leaders tell us hospitalization numbers will peak a couple weeks later, likely in mid-February. Now, some of the 1,400 Guard members that are being fanned out were in the initial force that helped out in the hospitals last fall before they were demobilized earlier this month. They do everything from COVID testing, transport patients, help at front desks, at nurses' stations. They are doing a lot of things to help the hospital staff.
We had a lot of turnkey soldiers and airmen that actually returned to the same facilities. So they continued with that relationship with the hospital staff, and they kind of jumped right back into it again.
Now, the 1,500 citizen soldiers and airmen and women are among 8,000 members of the Oregon National Guard. And I learned that tomorrow the head of the Oregon Hospital Association is calling a news conference to talk about the latest concerns for hospital capacity as the beds are starting to fill up. Again, the next couple of weeks, very, very critical here in Oregon as well as Washington. I'll have more of the National Guard's efforts coming up today at 5. Live in South Portland, Lisa Balick, KOIN 6 News.